Welcome to this video. If you are trying to improve your website's performance in search engines, then an SEO audit is your first step. In this video, we will explain what an SEO audit is and why it is important and what key elements it should include. An SEO audit is a detailed process of analyzing how well your website is optimized for search engines. It helps identify issues that may be stopping your site from ranking higher in search results. SEO audit helps ensure that your website aligns with Google's latest ranking guidelines. They also uncover hidden issues that may be lowering your ranking, traffic, and conversions. SEO audits should be performed regularly, ideally once every 3 to 6 months. You should also do one before launching a new site, after a major redesign, or if your traffic suddenly drops. A proper SEO audit includes multiple components, from technical to on-page to off-page SEO. Let's look at each one individually. This part focuses on how well search engines can crawl and index your site. It includes issues like broken links, page speed, mobile responsiveness, and structured data. An on-page SEO audit examines your content, metadata, and internal linking structure. It ensures that every page is optimized with right keywords, titles, and descriptions. Off-page SEO is all about your website's reputation. During an audit, we review backlinks, domain authority, social signals, and online brand mentions. With mobile-first indexing and user experience signals becoming critical for SEO, your site must be fast, responsive, and user-friendly across all devices. Several tools can help you run an effective SEO audit. Some are free, while others are more advanced and provide deeper insights. Once your audit is complete, create a prioritized action plan. Fix critical errors first, like broken pages, missing metadata, or crawl issues. Then improve content and build backlinks. To summarize, an SEO audit is a full analysis of your website's health from an SEO perspective. It's your roadmap to fixing problems, improving visibility, and growing your organic traffic. Thanks for watching. If you want help with a professional SEO audit, or you would like to learn how to do it yourself, check out our complete SEO training. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.